Okay, this play is going to be 31. Now we could call this 31 Ava, 31 Amy, 31 Lucy, 31 anybody. And this is designed for an inbound play designed for when they're in man. Now it's 31 because there's 3 girls here, 1 girl here. And when one, well, really we're trying to get the ball to 2. Not 2, but whoever we call here. So all this that happens over here is kind of diversion. It could pan out and get us a layup, but really we're looking at this girl here. So, and the reason we say 31 Ava or whoever is this person will change because they're not paying attention. But the way this will start is 1 slaps a ball, 4 comes high, 3 comes corner, and 5 will come straight down the lane. Now, this again is all of a diversion because when 1 slaps the ball, we're going to have 2 making a lot of noise saying screen, 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 and they're going to come up and they're going to pretend like they're setting a screen here, and their defender hopefully was right here, and they're going to trail them. And then once 2's here, 2's going to quickly turn around, and 2's going to be looking in like 5's direction, 3's direction, and then quickly turn around, and 1's going to dump the ball over to them, and hopefully that's a quick layup. And again, this is all of a diversion, and we're looking to get it here to 2. And we'll switch up again who it is because let's say that we do this with Ava the first time. The second time, if we were to try to do it with Ava, Ava's defender would be probably seeing that it's coming. But these guys, I doubt, were paying attention. So if we bring in, let's just say, Lucy to do it the next time, I doubt her defender will be as likely to stop it as Ava's defender was the first time. So that is 31.